Just want to do a quick video, guys, on intraday levels per my previous videos. If you haven't seen them yet, go back and take a look. So this is a SPY chart from Friday the 10th of March. I'm just going to plot some things here. Just want you to take note of. So the first one will be the pre-market high. Then we're going to draw the pre-market low. And then we're going to put the low of the day. So the purpose of this video, guys, is just going to be a quick short video just to show you how you could have got multiple trades on SPY yesterday. So SPY opened up, we pulled to the pre-market low, we put in a reversal candle, what we like to look for as a reversal signal, and then we played it back up. So I put this on my Twitter, guys. I actually took this trade from this reversal from 388 to 390.50. So if you guys been following me, you'll know why I like this area as a retest on these patterns. So this was a retest area, and that was my initial target. So I played this from the at then low of the day back to 390.50 area. I took profit here. That was an example of one trade you could have traded. Then when it came back down, guys, came back up, it busted through, consolidated a bit, pulled back, we got an armor, and then we popped it the other day. So there was another trade there you could have took. Came back on the retest, sellers tried to push it down, created an armor, and then it pulled back up close to, okay, it wasn't exact, but it was close to the eye of the day. So if you wanted to then take puts back down, your first target would be here. So you're just playing the reverse of what I did here. If this trade doesn't work, you know where your exit point is. You know how much you're risking because you're close to this pivot, okay? So your first target would be here. If you got more than one contract, you could have sold, held on down to here, because you know where your next pivot point is going to be. The retest is back up to the same area and then back down. So once we break this, guys, you can see we formed on the 5-minute chart a sort of a mini bear flag before pulling down to the low of the day. So per the bigger time frames, you could have played this down. If you didn't play that down, you could have waited to come back up. It retested its previous pre-market low, and then it rejected back down to the previous low of the day. So there was a 4-point move there alone. So there was multiple ways you could have played this. Every time you take a trade, your entries are super important. You want to know where you're getting in and if it's a low risk area. So the better entry you can get, especially with options, the better. You want to be getting in on these trades on areas where price has got to do something. You want to know what you're going to do if it doesn't go your way, where you're going to cut it and why you're going to cut it. So I believe this is a highly successful intraday trading strategy. Like I've mentioned in my previous videos, we can enter all these trades on low risk entries at specific areas where you know the stock is going to do something. And it's not about being right every time. If the stock doesn't go in your favor, by entering at these low risk areas, you know where your exit is. So take a look at my previous videos if you haven't already, guys. You can clearly see on this chart where the price action, it just stays to the technicals perfectly. You know where you should be taking these trades. You know where your target areas are, and these are low risk areas to take these trades. And like I said, if they don't work out, it's not a problem. You got minimal risk before you cut these trades because you know the areas where you got to exit these trades. So it's a pretty simple, straightforward video just to explain, guys. Like I said, I was actually in this trade. I then got off early yesterday, so it was just the one trade I took on here. I knew my risk was. I knew if we broke this pivot to the downside, I'd get out of this. Apart from that, it was a reversal back up. I knew my first target area was here, so it was 2.5 points. Pretty straightforward trade. Then I was done for the day. But you can see through these trades that through the day there was multiple trades available depending what type of trader you are, what way you like to trade these, and what your strategy basically is. So you can add this to your existing strategy. You can implement this along with whatever else you're doing, or if you're new to this, I believe this is a great strategy to trade intraday, especially when we've got range and a bit of volatility. So like I said, guys, if you haven't seen my previous videos, go take a look. Cap this information with my previous videos, and it should give you a strategy to get some money in the market on the intraday trades.